Welcome again to Budget with Brian. It's increasingly necessary for us to hook a vacuum cleaner up to our tools for health and safety reasons, as well as dust and muck and bullets, and we can invest in various vacuum cleaners to do that. This one was an absolute bargain. I got it at Homebase before they started to get a bit more expensive again. And because of the price, I actually bought two of them. This was £25. Now, its main claim to fame is that it's wet and dry. It says here, give it a go, on the side. The main advantage is that you get a new set of crevice tools and all the rest of it. It's 1200 watts, 1250 watts. But in the main, it's using a paper filter, which is a little bit disappointing because if you had the cartridge filter, you could just keep filling it up, whereas paper bags, you've got to keep changing. But for 25 quid, why not? It's just got to be done. So here it is in the box. Look at the huge on and off switch. Absolutely brilliant. Ozito is a name that seems to have been adopted by Homebase, and we'll put it together in a moment and you'll see it in operation. Right, we've unclipped the clips. Haven't got the handle on yet because the other bits will be inside. Open up and there we have the hose and all of the tools inside and the bits and pieces, the casters and so on to fit on. And here we have a motor protection filter on here. It shows you how to fit it and so on. And down at the bottom there'll be a paper bag. So here we have it all assembled with the wheels on, handle on, and a great big switch. Mind your ears as we switch on. To start with, nice new tool. The hose is, it talks about it being 1.5 meters, which I suppose is okay, but this is, and the cable on vacuum cleaners is usually longer than this, which suggests this is much more ideal for perhaps for connecting to power tools as opposed to general purpose. I'm going to clean my house, carpets upstairs, downstairs and so on. But what a bargain, eh? What an absolute bargain. We have to keep an eye out for these things, and I do. So thank you for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget we're on Twitter and Instagram. Twitter and Instagram, and don't forget, subscribe or leave me some comments. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian.